How to check if your Samsung Galaxy A15 or A16 is water or liquid damage. So the easiest way to check to see if it's damaged or not is to simply remove the SIM tray. So on the side here, we're going to use a pin and open up the SIM tray. Okay, so here we will pull out the SIM tray. Now, simply visually inspect around the frame to see if there is any indication of water damage. But the easiest way is to check the white sticker inside the SIM slot right here. So what you want to do is really look inside. You're going to need to use the torch. It will be a lot easier. So here I've got my phone with my torch turned on, and we are looking for a white indicator. So it is here. So we turn the phone this way, and then you kind of move your phone light up and down to find that white indicator. It is in there somewhere. You just need to move it up and down. Now here it is on this side here. So if I zoom in, okay, so here I will move my torch up and down, and you can see it right there. So right there is that white indicator. So you can see that white indicator right there. If that white indicator turns pinkish or red, then that means your device has been in contact with some form of liquid. It can be water or drinks, soft drinks, soda drink, whatever it is. It might have come in contact with liquid, and that shows your phone has been in contact with liquid. So in the future, it may have damages. So here is exactly where it is. So I'm just going to put my pin right in so you can see it. So it's right in here. So just right there. If you look right here, you can see the white indicator. And that's it. That is how you can check to see if your Galaxy A15 or 16 has been in contact with water. You may also want to simply visually inspect around the ports here to see if there's some kind of water damage or white spot. Once the water dry, they usually form a white spot. So just check around the charging port, the speakers grill, and the headphones port right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.